Hello everybody, good morning. Now, today in this video, I just share with you my personal experiences that I face in my personal journey that I face in my learning stage. And if you are struggling to learning this language, if you struggling to learning English and you still not able to speak this language, so just I will share with you some my way. I will just suggest you some methods. If you follow these all methods, I am sure about that your English little bit increase. Yes guys, so first one thing you have to remember, because speaking a language, it is a not small thing, it is a little bit challenging thing, so you have to be dedicated for that. Because sometime what happen, you are starting your journey, but after some time, after 1 week, 1 month, you just give up it, you just quit it. Why? Because you are not learning because you are not able to learn anything, that's why. But now today in this video, I just share with you my personal experiences. When I was started my English speaking journey, I am nothing to in this language. Even I don't know how to speak, I am not able to speak a single sentence properly. Yes guys, but now after putting my effort, after doing lots of practice, I am able to speak this language little bit. I am now that time also I am on learning stage and I am still learning this language, but at least I am trying to speak this language from my mouth. So this method you have to apply in your journey. So in a day, at least you have to speak minimum 10 minutes. Which topic you should be go speak? Any topic, pick up any topic, ask question in your mind and just start giving this question answer. If you are making mistake, it's okay, it's not big deal, but at least you have to just speak 10 minutes in a day. You know what happened on learning stage, we are too much focusing on grammatical mistakes, we are too much focused on learning grammar and any other things. But now, as I suggest you, as I personal experienced, even I am also making this kind of mistake, but after some time I realized that this is not good thing and this is not proper way to learn this language. So at the beginning you don't have to focus on grammar, because this is a part of English, but if you don't know anything about grammar, but still you can speak this language very well and very fluent. Yes guys, grammar is not necessary to speak this language, but after starting your journey, after 1 month, after 2 months, you can try to learn their grammatical concept. But now at the beginning you don't focus on grammar, just focus on listening. Listen lots of content. What do you listen? You can listen podcast, you can download the Spotify application and you can listen their podcast. I would suggest you some YouTuber, they are very good YouTuber, and as well as their accent also good, especially for Indians people. Their accent very easy to understand. Now first time at the beginning, what happens with us, we don't understand foreigner accent, we are just able to understand our Indian accent. So I just suggest you some YouTubers name. I just mentioned their name in my description. If you want to visit their channel, so you can check my description. There I share you some YouTubers. They are very good YouTuber, and as well as their accent also very easy to understand. Then the second thing, what do you have? You have to listen 2 to 3 hours in a day. Yes, if you want to learn English very short of period time, so you have to put lots of focus on listening. Yes guys, anyway, I will give you one example. Suppose when you was your childhood, how do you learn your native language? Can anyone tell me? Anyone can tell me? Yes, only from listening. Listening is a play very significant role our English speaking journey. Yes guys, if you listen actively and properly and implement this word while speaking, I am sure about that you will be able to speak this language very short of period time. But now, as compared to that childhood, we have lots of things, just like we know already about this language basic, and second thing is that we read this language very well, we can write this language very well, as well as we can understand very well about this language. It means as compared to this child, we know already lots of things. It means we are able to learn this language, but now what happens here, we are not putting as much effort that much we want. So don't hesitate, don't be scared. This is a only language. Just take it in positive way and start toward this language. The most significant method is that you have to just speak this language. If you are making mistake while speaking, it is okay, it is not big deal, but now you have to at least speak 10 minutes in a day. This 10 minutes can improve your very well fluency, and as well as your English speaking conversation make very attractive. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, so please ask me in my comment section. I'm always ready to your answer. And the second most important thing, if I make any kind of mistake while explaining, while speaking, so please forgive me because I am also on my learning stage. Yes guys.